Hi 8th graders. I'm going to add a few things to my outline here that I want you to add to yours and when I'm done showing you. So the first thing I'm going to do here is after each body paragraph I'm going to put my reason in parentheses. So my first reason is health problems. And then my reason for second body paragraph is poor work performance, and I'm going to go up here and click the edit button. And then my third reason is suicide, so I'm going to click on body paragraph 3, click on the edit button, and add my third reason in parentheses. Okay, and another thing that I noticed that I need to add is that in each body paragraph, I need to add the number of pieces of evidence that I plan to use. And so for body paragraph 1, which is health problems, I can see over here the red note cards are my pieces of evidence for health problems. So I need to make sure that I have evidence 3 times. So I'm going to click on the Roman numeral 2 and then go up here and I'm going to add subtopic. Yes. Okay. And then I want to move this up so it is right below the other piece of evidence, and then I need to edit subtopic to call this evidence number 2, and then right there, so I want to add another piece of evidence. So under body paragraph 1 I'm going to add subtopic. It puts it at the bottom, but all I need to do is select it here and move it up 1, and then go to the edit box, and I'm going to do evidence 3 because I have 3 pieces of evidence for reason 1. The minimum amount of evidence you need for each body paragraph is 2, but for my first reason I actually have 3 pieces of evidence. Okay, then for body paragraph 2, I look over here, poor work performance, I have 2 pieces of evidence, and those note cards I colored green. So I'm going to click on body paragraph 2, add subtopic, and then I'm going to add so I have 2 pieces of evidence, so I need to move that below this other piece of evidence. So I'm going to take the arrow, oops, I have to select it. Okay, and then I want my 2 pieces of evidence together right here. So that's my second piece of evidence. I'm going to call it evidence 2. And then for body paragraph 3, I have 2 note cards over here, so I have 2 pieces of evidence. So I'm going to click on body paragraph 3, add subtopic. It puts it at the bottom of my paragraph, but I actually want it to be right after my other piece of evidence. So I'm going to move, I need to select the subtopic and then do the arrow to move it up. And then I'm going to rename it evidence 2. Okay, so now that I've shown you how to do that, I want to give you some time to do these things to your outline.